If one angle of a triangle is equal to sum of other two angles, then triangle is an isosceles triangle, an obtuse triangle, an equilateral triangle, a right angle triangle. Okay, so I am drawing whatever is given in the question. You can see this is a triangle ABC. One angle is equal to sum of other two angles. So what is given? Let's say B is equal to sum of other two angle. This is the question. Okay, so if B is equal to A plus C, then the triangle is. So we know that the sum of all three angles should be 180. This is we know. Okay, so if in place of A plus C, if I put B, so B plus B is 180 degree, or I can say 2B is 180 degree, or I can say angle B is equal to 90 degree. So which type of triangle it is? It is a right angle triangle. So see, whatever is given in statement, I have turned it up into mathematical way. So if one angle is equal to sum of other two angles, so what does it mean? B is equal to A plus C. Then I have substituted in place of A plus C, I have put B. So I got the value of B as 90 degree. So this tell me that the triangle is right angle triangle. So please do it up. If it is done, then we can proceed to question number 3. And question number 3 is easy one. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
I'm done.
Those who are ready, raise your hand. I can see who are ready with the answer for question number 3. Ranvi, you have sent it to my another number or this number, personal number?
And another number.
Okay.
Ma'am, done the third question.
Okay. Please do tell me what is your answer and how you have solved.
I'm done.
Okay, please put it on the chat box, Dhanvi, your answer. I am discussing it with the help of Ayan. You put on the chat box. I want to see your answer also.
Ma'am, the answer will be 52 1 upon 2.
52 1 upon 2. How?
Ma'am, because the exterior angle is equal to ma'am, just a second. The exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite sides. So if we do like 105 upon 2, so we'll get 52 1 by 2. So that's why.
So you are correct. So see how we need to do. If I say this is my exterior angle, it is 105 degree. Exterior angle measure is 105 degree and two interior opposite angles are equal. So if I say that let they are A, so I can write A plus A, sum of two interior opposite angle is equal to measure of exterior angle. So I am getting 2A is equal to 105, or I can say A is equal to 105 upon 2. So when you try to solve it, you will be getting 52 1 by 2 degree. So B is the correct option. Very good, Ayan. Yes, Dhanvi. 52 1 by 2 is the correct answer. So please write it down, then we will proceed to the fourth part. Leona, are you able to follow it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so please try question number 4. It is again easy one. And raise your hands who know the answer. They can put on the chat box the answer so that I can see everyone's answer. Then we will discuss. Okay, Nihal and Leona has given me answer. So who want to explain me why you have given this answer? Raise your hand who is ready with the explanation. I can take the help. Nihal or Leona. Who want to speak for this answer? Leona, do you want to try?
Ma'am, we will take all numbers, like we will take in x, like 5x, 3x, and 7x will be
Mm-hmm.
equal to 180 degree, which is
Correct.
angle sum property.
Correct.
Then we will get, and then we will get 15x is equal to 180, and we
Your
will,
voice is coming very less. Can you speak loudly?
yes, ma'am. The x will be 12. Then we will multiply that number with 5, 3, and 7. And all numbers are multiplied was less than 90 degree. So it will be acute angle, triangle.
Very good. You are correct, but you lack confidence. I can see. See, the ratio is given 5 is to 3 is to 7. So the common ratio, your solution is absolutely correct. So the common ratio is x. So 5x plus 3x plus 7x, and you should add up. It will give you 180 degree. That is angle sum property. So if you solve it, 8x plus 7x, that is 15x is equal to 180. So you will get x is equal to 12. That is correct. Now, if I try to find the measure of each angle, then 12 into 5, 60. 3 into 12, 36. 12 into 7, 84. So all angle are less than 90. We put the triangle in the category of acute angle triangle. Okay, so please proceed to question number 5 and put the answer on the chat box. Dhanvi, I received your answer. It is also correct. So should I do it? It seems a little bit difficult, or you are trying. What do you say? Okay, no problem. So see, if one of the angles of triangle is 130 degrees, so I have made one angle is 130 degree and the angle between bisectors. So this is the bisector, CD is bisector. So let's say this is X, then this is also X, and this is Y, this is also bisector, then this is also Y. Okay, so the angle between bisectors of the two angles. So we need to find this angle Z. Okay, now I have drawn the diagram. Now, who are ready with the answer? Do tell me. So I can say angle sum property if I apply in triangle ABC, then x plus 130 plus y is equal to 180 degree, or I can say 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 minus 130, or I can say I can take 2 common. So I got x plus y is equal to 25 degree, 50 by 2. So if you look in the smaller triangle ACD, x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. So if I put x plus y as 25 degree, then value of z is 180 minus 25. That is 155 degree. So see, I have everywhere used angle sum property of a triangle. You just need to understand the language of the question. Angle between the bisector. So if I make the angle between bisector, what is its measure? Is it understood? Can we proceed to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's come to question number 6. You have to find the value of x. It is simple question. Do give me reply on the chat box, and who is ready to explain, raise your hand. Very good, Nihal. It is absolutely correct. So can you explain? Divyansh, it is correct. Very good. Leona, it is correct. Very good. Divyansh, can you explain?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I used angles and property in this, ma'am, like 40 plus 4x plus 3x equals to 180 degrees.
So you can say all angles on a straight line, sum of all angles on a straight line. So you are
Yes,
correct.
yeah.
40 plus 4x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. Yes. After that,
Ma'am, I did the transfer. So, ma'am, like 180 minus 40, which is 140.
hmm,
7x equals to 140 is left.
correct.
And ma'am, 4 will be there. 140 upon 7, I mean, 7. Ma'am, then it will be 20.
Correct. Very good. So answer is 20 degree. Very well done. I think
And
then
we can also verify it by putting the value.
very good. So we can verify it also. So if I put it, it is 80 and it is 60. So if I add up, yes, they are making 180 degree. Excellent. Devyansh, good explanation.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's come to question number 7. And do tell me, put the answer on the chat box, and do tell me who are ready for explanation. Okay, so here you require a construction. So you have to make a line parallel to RS. You can name it QT. So this angle should be 50 degree. What is the reason? Sum of co-interior angle.
Interior angles.
Yes. So as RS is parallel to QT and OP is parallel to RS, therefore OP is also parallel to QT.
Ma'am, angle PQR will be 60 degree.
Yes. So PQR will be 60 degree. How? So if you look at this measure, so this measure should be equal to this whole, because see, they are making alphabet Z, just like alternate angle. So this is 110. So this angle plus this angle should be 110. So that PQR will be 60. So 60 plus 50, that is 110 degree. So here you require construction, that is a line you have to extend and make a line QT which is parallel to RS. Then you have taken help of sum of co-interior angle and then adjacent angle. So we are on the last question. That is again very easy. Angles of triangle are in the ratio 2:4:3. You have to find the smallest angle. So you have to take the common ratio as x, and the smallest I can see it should be 2x, and apply angle sum property. So you got the value of x as 20 degree, or you can see which is the smallest angle. Smallest angle is 2x, 2 into 20 degree. Okay, so tomorrow we will be doing science and Wednesday we will be doing maths. Okay, bachu, have a nice time, all of you,
Bye,
and
ma'am.
put your work on the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.